Electric vehicles. They're a powerful solution for today's mobility needs. Yet their high-voltage systems bring challenges of their own, like the need to safely and reliably protect people and the EV system itself. Coordination between EV components that enable power and protect power is critical. If the fuse is sized too small, an overcurrent event can occur. A fuse that is sized too large can lead to a high-temperature overload. Either can leave a driver stranded. Rising to the challenge is Eaton's Breaktor, an elegant two-in-one solution designed to replace both the fuse and contactor found in traditional EV systems. This multitasking unit, housed in the power distribution unit, not only performs basic switching functions, but also provides faster, more reliable protection from the full range of possible overcurrent and short-circuit situations. In fact, Breaktor enables the reduction of up to 15 total components from the PDU assembly, decreasing complexity and system-level costs.
There's really three basic functions of the Breaktor. The first one is really the switching mechanism. So during normal operation of the vehicle, the device can switch on and off. The second mechanism is the protection piece. And this is where the current sensor within the Breaktor is able to identify an unsafe event and is able to shut down power within the vehicle. And then the third mechanism that the Breaktor has is what we call a crash safety prevention mechanism. So the Breaktor, in addition to protecting against that high current event, it can also shut off and isolate the battery in the event of a crash. Another key feature is that it's a resettable device. So the Breaktor can be reset many times, even after very high current level events. So yeah, Breaktor is a tremendous component to be able to solve the coordination challenges within an electric vehicle. But one of the other areas where Eaton really can be differentiated is not only do we offer the component, but we can also integrate that Breaktor component into a larger power distribution system, which might have alternative function like protection, like switching, like isolation detection, like current sensing. So we can take that component and install it into a much more complex system to be able to address the needs of our customers at a larger level.
The development of the Breaktor was very exciting from the beginning. This was the moment when our experience and knowledge of industrial switching applications really came into play. Our competencies in motor protection switches come from the 60 to 70 years of experience on site in Bonn, Germany, both in engineering and in testing with our I2PS laboratory. With everything in close proximity, we really have all the experience and skills here to complete development tasks and implement them into the finished product.